So thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. And I know I've been doing a few cylinder locks lately and padlocks. Thanks to Andy Mack sending me out the curtained tension tool with the small grub screw. Not sure how well you can see that, but he's cut me down an ERA key and put the small grub screw in there just so I'm able to turn this curtain on these new curtain lever locks that I've got. And anyone that's been watching any of my videos knows I've managed to grab hold of a bundle from the bank holiday car boot sales, but I didn't actually have a tool to get into any of these curtain locks. So I've never picked any curtained lever locks before. It's always been non-curtained. So it's going to be a new challenge for me, and I've got to admit I have had a play with this already, and I've tried overlifting it, but to no avail. And what I'm finding with these more secure lever locks is there's a lot of false gates. Every lever's got a false gate on it, whereas with the non-curtained locks they don't tend to have that security feature quite as much. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. And I've already set up one of my lever picks, and again, thanks to Andy Mack, I bought the lever pick and overlifter set, and I also managed to get my hands on one of the handles. And yes, I've got I should quickly show you the pack there. So I've got the overlifters and levers in that nice set. And thanks for all the helpful advice as usual from uklockpickers.co.uk, the Facebook page Lockpicking and Locksport UKLP, and uklocksport.co.uk. And I have watched a fair few videos, and one in particular, Noob, has done a video, beginner's guide to picking curtained lever locks, I think the video title's called. And really, it's really useful. And normally when I'm overlifting, I'm just trying to get the camera in a better position so you can see it better. So pull that over there. Show how you can see that. Okay. And basically, you want to put more tension on the lock than what you normally do when you're overlifting. And you want to be listening out for clicks of when those levers are setting. So I'm starting at the back of the pack. I've got no tension on whatsoever at the moment. I'm just making sure all those levers, I'm just getting to feel my way around there a little bit. And as I'm slowly working my way backwards and forwards, yeah, I can feel all those levers are moving freely. So let's get started. I've got a bit of a cough today. So, tension on, and Noob explains that you put more tension on normally than you normally would, and then it's when you hear the click. You need to hear a firm click rather than just a faint click. If you're hearing the firm click is it setting, similar to hearing a click in a cylinder lock, but there's a slightly different click, and that'll be when it's going into the false gate. So you need to recognise the difference. And I am a real beginner, so although I might be talking a good talk, whether I can do it or not is completely different. So let's see how we get on. And Noob also explained that there is a set binding order to these. So when you're picking them, you want to work your way up and down the pack of levers, finding the ones in the biting order. Okay, and I've got this finger here just to keep the lever straight, and then I've got this finger here and this one on the bolt just for control. And I'm going to move this pick back and forth, so back and forth, in and out, working my way back and forth over the lever pack. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. So let's go from there, and that's going to go back and forth, in and out against 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's get started. Wish me luck. That's the click I think you want to hear. That's another click I think you want to hear. That was a fainter click. I'm hoping that wasn't a false set. I'm not getting nothing out of that one. I'm not sure if the lever and I think I might have fallen into a false set there, because now when I'm trying to pick up, there's no movement in any of the levers whatsoever. So if I pull it back a little bit, there we go, back to the beginning. And like I say, this is the first time, so it will take some getting used to. So just take this out. Have a quick puff on the fag for inspiration. And if you start feeling frustrated when you're doing it, I just stop. There's no point getting pissed off with it. If you're either going to do it or you're not, but you're far less likely to do it if you're frustrated with it. Patience. another tip that Lock Noob said is, this is open, but I don't want to get the pick trapped. So he said take it out if you can, and then open. So 11 minutes. I'm really quite pleased with that, considering that yeah, first time curtain lever lock, 5 lever with false gates. I'm really pleased. I'm really pleased. You can see that's unlocked. Okay, excellent. And again, I'm always going to reiterate, thanks for all the help from you guys on all those following sites. Without all the support and the guidance and the tips, I would never be able to be opening any of these locks. And I really do appreciate it. I don't think you lot really know how much it means to me to get all this support and help when you're trying to do something that you really enjoy. But thanks everybody, and yeah, I look forward to making another video with maybe a the ERA or EA next. Thank you.